Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to try and do another journal vlog. I'm currently cleaning my office right now and I'm trying to organize it the best that I can, but I don't know how this is gonna go. I'm already kind of overwhelmed with everything because I have too much stuff. But I have a plan for everything eventually, because I do plan on eventually selling stationery kits, journal kits, and I'm saving up these all the stationery for that reason. I just don't have good storage, and also trying to get totes and stuff, they're pricey for no reason. And yeah, so my office right now is currently a mess. It kind of acts like a storage as well, just because we don't have a lot of closet space anywhere, don't have too much storage. So yeah, I am gonna share with you how my office looks now. Obviously it looks like a mess because it is a mess, and I gotta obviously clean it up just a little bit and clear my desk. That's the whole reason I'm clearing this desk here. Obviously it's a mess. Like I said, I am trying to clear it. That's my main my top priority right now is to clear this desk, clear the inside of the desk, and pretty much just take it out. It doesn't matter if the stuff is organized right now. I just need to clear it so it can be taken out, because I'm getting a new desk and I'm pretty excited. But like I said, it's gonna be a mess right now because I'm still trying to, organize. But all I really need to do right now, well, my main focus is to clear this desk, because this is a big desk. This is huge. And so I'm hoping the other one gives me a little bit more space in this room, since this room is really not that big. And I can I don't know, figure stuff out. But yeah, this is a mess, and this is what it looks like right now. And I just cleared out this section right here, and oops, I gotta clear those. Those don't have too much. It's this big thing right here that has too much stuff. I'm nervous to touch it because I just want to, I don't know, I don't have space to put anything else in. But yeah, I'm not even gonna show the inside of here because I'm kind of embarrassed. Yeah, so I got these, and that's what I'm gonna work on right now. Okay, so it's emptied. That goes all the way back. So that's empty. That is empty. And all of the drawers are empty. Pretty much empty. I'm not even gonna show the mess that's over here. That's the mess on the desk right now, but I'm just glad that this is emptied out and it's ready to get out of here. Okay, so the quality might be a little bad because the lighting, it's obviously in nighttime. So I went to Big Lots, I got a tote, filled that up, and I still need more storage for my journals. And so I found one at the house, and I'm gonna, it's kind of a good dinky one. Don't mind the mess because it's still trying to clean it up. It's a lot. It's oh my god. Anyway, so I have all my journals laid out. That I had them all in the rainbow bin, as you can see. They're all empty now. I'm gonna put stationery in there. So I'm gonna show kind of an overview of my empty journal collection. Some of the journals have a couple pages written in and everything, but yeah, so I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you. So this is kind of an overview of my journals. I know I have a lot. This is not even all of it. Anyways, yeah, so this is all my journals. It's gonna go in that tote right there, and then that's gonna clean up a lot more space. Then I have the table. I'm planning so far have my 2 sticker books and this right here. But yeah, that's what I have so far. Hello, good morning. It is the next day because I cleaned up a little bit, did the journals, but I didn't record any of that because it was pretty dark, and like I do have like my light up there, but it's still pretty dark in here. So I wasn't trying to film too much because the quality isn't the best at nighttime. But as you can see, it's the daytime now, and the office is pretty clean, as clean as it's gonna get, really. I just need to organize it. And that's pretty much that. I'm pretty happy with this desk though. Like, the light already coming in this morning, and it's so, I don't know, I love it. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you. Okay, so it looks really messy over there, and I will get to that at some point. So here's like the desk. I have a couple things on here so far. Obviously I made that little mug right there myself, and I just have a bunch of like pens and highlighters in there. I emptied out this clear case as I plan on putting some stuff in there. My little trash can, picture of me and my daughter. Plan to put a couple things right here if I like find something like that I want to put there. But so far I just have this little thing here, this little mushroom that I got from Target that has some candy in there, this little painting my sister made me, my little like pocket journals and stuff, and then this little SpongeBob. And that's pretty much it. And on the inside, well, I have these 2 drawers. Oh shoot, I guess this being clipped on there, it's not gonna work. I'm just gonna take that off right now. So let's open this up. It looks messy, but this is actually like organized to me, because it could be messier, you know? So like random things, you know, stuff I'm gonna reach for, like the scissors, my tape runner, my pen, you know, watercolors and all that. But yeah, that's what I have in there. And they're like supposed to, why is it not doing that? Well, it's supposed to like do it. When you close it, it's supposed to like glide. I don't see. That one does it, but that one's not doing it. Anyways, I just have my sticker books, stationery, random stuff here. This has just like random stuff in this little like glass jar that I got from Dollar Tree, and it fits perfectly in here. See? What is it gonna do it? There you go. See, this one's not doing it. Yeah, this one must be broken or something. And then all the storage down there, and all the bins that I don't want to show. Okay, so right now I'm going to sit and I'm gonna try and journal a little bit. This is the first time sitting down and actually journaling on this desk and in here and stuff. Well, when the old desk was in here, I was in here journaling in here, but I feel like I'm gonna be in here a lot more now because I don't know, like I said, I really love this desk. It's not as big as that other one, and it feels a little bit taller, and I don't know, I'm just pretty excited about it. And that whole rainbow drawer over there is empty. I showed a clip last night. I don't know, hopefully those clips are like decent, not like so super bad quality. But like all the rainbow drawers is empty because those used to be filled with journals. But I'm just like, I don't need to fill this with journals because I'm like, I don't know. I was like, I'm gonna just get a tote and put all my journals in there, and it'd be a lot better in there. And so I can use those drawers for like stationery, because I have a lot of ideas. I just gotta wait. But I haven't even started a new journal because I'm like, I don't know. So my thoughts on this one here. I love this and I want to start it. But I don't know, it's just like a lot of pages, and I don't know if I don't know. I'm like nervous to like fill up the pages and it get too chunky, and I don't want the spine to break because that'd be like super sad. But I feel like recently I've been like in a writing mood, so all I want to do is write more. I want to include pictures, I want to write, you know, add like little tip-ins here and there. But I don't know, because obviously I have my planner for like my to-dos, my gratitude. I have my monthly calendar in here, and you know, I have everything like that. You know, my weeklies. I also do like a little bit of journaling in these pages as well. Just so like, you know, like I said, to have like a journal or like, you know, like a planner for the whole year, so I can like look back. And like I said, for this journal, I just plan to do like writing, you know, some stickers. So this shouldn't get too chunky. I mean, it's gonna get fluffed up because the pages have the writing on it, but it shouldn't get too chunky. And I'm pretty excited to fill this up, I'm not gonna lie. I actually really enjoyed this, and I've seen them at Dollar General a few times now, and I don't know if I've seen this exact pattern because they have different patterns, and I tried to link it, I tried to find it on Dollar General, couldn't find it. So if you have a Dollar General near you, might want to check that out, because their website or anything is not telling me nothing. It doesn't even pop up these planners, and I tried to show put my location, it still wasn't working. So yeah, anyways, so February, I haven't done too much yet. I'm slowly like adding stickers to like the cover page for February. And the monthly, I'm like adding like little tiny stickers like to show parts of my day, and like, you know, stickers. And then I still need to catch up for this week actually, because that's the rest of this week. And then next week I might do that. I might sit here and decorate with you on camera. I think I might do that because I can't think of anything else to do, and I'm hoping I get a little bit more decent time right now, while everybody's still sleeping. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I want to mention that so yesterday my dad brought us over some Chick-fil-A, and obviously part of the kids menu, they got these memory card game. Well, my daughter can't play it. Okay, she's a 19-month-old, so she can't, she can't play the game. So I mean, she just throws them all over the ground and she can rip them up. So yeah, she's really not gonna, play with it. Anyways, so I found a couple of the images of like the cards or whatever. I thought they were cute, so I kept some and I'm gonna put some in my journal. Okay, so I think that's how I'm gonna keep the spread for right now, because I don't know what I'm doing. I never know what's like happening next week, and so I don't want to overdo it. So yeah, this is next week and I love it, and I love putting the days like, I don't know, bigger, because you can barely see here. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that for the rest of the month. No, I'm gonna wait. No, I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm gonna wait. But yeah, that's it. I think that's might be the end of today's like little vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys are enjoying these vlogs, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.